Hello everyone, my name is Xuchen Yao. I'm Product Manager at SeaChat AI. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up auto-labeling for your conversations. Auto-labeling is part of the integrations over here. What this one does is that it will apply labels over conversations intelligently and automatically. So usually when you are doing a customer service, sometimes people would actually apply a label just by hand, right? So from here, I got the two labels on this conversation, and now can we try to apply those labels automatically, right? So this is what this video tutorial is about. If you want to do that, let's first go to integrations and then go to auto labeling over here. We had two rules. One is auto add label and also auto remove labels, right? So this is this work equivalently, and then let's just try something. Now I want to auto add a label, and I can apply a single label or multiple labels here, right? So I just demonstrated that we can do escalated and low priority, right? So when let's just set up a use case, right? Suppose this is a healthcare hotline, right? And then when users express extreme pain, apply escalated label or minor pain, apply low priority label, right? So that's the condition over here, and then we add it, we save it over here, and this one should take effect, right? Now let's give it a try. I want to do test. Oh, oops, yeah. I want to do a test AI agent over here. So now I'll say I feel so much pain. I need doctor's attention right now, right? Now SeaChat will reply something to comfort the person. And now let's go to the conversations over here. And okay, so this is a failed demo because because these labels here are already applied by me, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this, right? So, and then I'm going to say now it's not painful. Now it's not that painful anymore. I don't need doctor's attention. So suppose we have seen the doctor already, and then SeaChat will say, okay, I'm glad to hear that you're feeling better, right? If I come back over here, and let's just refresh this, we should be able to see the low priority label automatically removed. Applied over here, right? So now this one just intelligently classifies this label as low priority, right? We can do this even more and even better. But for now, this is what do we got with this higher priority or low priority labels, right? So that's all good. We can also do a little bit of step further in terms of making this more intelligent, right? So suppose medical. Let's do another example called a medical triage, right? So in medical triage, usually we have a green, yellow, and a red, right? So now I just do a green, and I don't even have the green label here. I'll just do a green label. Give me a green. Yeah, okay. This is a green label first, and then I'll do yellow here, and let's get a yellow. Okay, not exactly yellow. Okay, maybe this is a good yellow. And then we'll have a red label. And okay, maybe this is red enough. Okay, all right. So we're gonna apply some labels, green, red and yellow over here, right? So now we are saying, okay, for medical triage, we want to define the conditions of all the green, red, and yellow, right? So I do not have something off the top of my head, so we'll just search like a baby medical triage for small kids, right? And let's look at a few images over here. Do we have? Okay, this is too long. Yeah, let's look at a few images here and find some good labels. Oh, so this is actually good, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this picture, and let's use Gemini to help me extract from this picture. So this is like extract the medical triage conditions from this picture and define them as green, yellow, red. Let's see whether this one works or not. Okay, great. Okay, yeah, so we have a red, yellow, and a green, right? So summarize this in one sentence. Oh man, okay. Give me a list of examples for red, yellow, and green in one sentence. Okay, yeah, this is good enough, right? So I'm gonna use this as our trigger. Now let's go back to this, and we'll see that when red conditions include when users express pain, apply medical triage. Red conditions include difficulty breathing, severe bleeding, and unconsciousness, while yellow conditions include moderate pain, fever, and minor injuries. Green conditions include minor aches, colds, and rashes, right? So, okay, now let's save it. Oops. Okay, the total character count add trigger is 1140 and exceeds the limit of 1024, right? Okay, that's one limit of this rule. Basically, we're using the function call, and a function call can only have up to 1024 characters. Right? Let's try to remake this one. So we have a green, red, and a yellow over here, and when users express pain with apply triage, right? Red includes difficulty breathing, severe bleeding, and while yellow includes this fever, and a green. Okay, we saved a few characters over here, right? Now let's save it. Now it should work. Oh, okay, 1020, 1060. Okay, we're still like 50 more characters. All right, so maybe the last time is the charm. Yellow and green over here. Right, so we need to save 30 characters. Okay. All right. Rushes, aches, colds, rushes. Green is, this is minor injuries. Yellow is, and severe bleeding is. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, great. Now we don't have the limit over here, and we got the yellow, red, and the green. Right now, let's go back to the chat over here and then say, "Help, my baby as a high fever for 30 hours, for 4 hours, right? This is where you bring the baby to the doctor, to the pediatrician, and I'm really sorry to hear that it's crucial to seek a medical attention. It's sexual, especially in infants, right? Contact a healthcare professional to the baby. And if I go back to here, let's see the labels over there. So you see this is yellow, right? So this is a right on. And we define yellow as what? Yellow as like a fever, right? So this is how this one is applied with this label, right? So in this case, that because also the escalated is also applied, right? But previously we got a lower priority, but now the GPT labels will say, okay, now I think this is a yellow condition, and then we need to escalate this very quickly to go to seek medical attention, right? So okay, that's all for this video, for this demo. This basically walks you through of how to apply auto labels. In the next demo, I'm gonna do the auto remove part, like how we can remove the labels if you want to do that. That's one. And also in the third video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use label automation, right? So sometimes I got a label applied over here, and then I want to configure some actions, such as, for instance, like with the red, I want to send emails, send API requests, or send SMS, etc., right? To get some attention from the caregivers, right? Okay, that's all for this video tutorial, and that's all about automatically adding labels over here. And I'll see you in the next video about how to remove labels, and then the next one about label automation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.